How to withdraw money from Sweatcoin. Been walking and earning Sweatcoin but wondering how to turn it into real money? In this guide, I'll show you how to withdraw Sweatcoin safely in your account. So first, know the Sweatcoin itself isn't directly withdrawable as cash. Instead, you redeem rewards like PayPal cash, gift cards, or crypto tokens. This can then be converted into your currency. So inside the Sweatcoin app, go to Marketplace, Rewards, and look for PayPal cash offers. Redeem what's available, and the funds will be sent to your linked PayPal account. Once PayPal receives the funds, open Gcash, tap Cash in PayPal, and enter the amount. Confirm, and your balance will move instantly or within 24 hours. If PayPal offers aren't available, Sweatcoin sometimes gives crypto rewards like Sweat tokens. Transfer them to a wallet like Binance, sell for PHP, then cash out to your account. Sweatcoin occasionally runs special campaigns where you can redeem direct vouchers or cash offers. Always check in-app notifications and emails for this limited events.